What's up guys, it's your boy Carl here, and today I'm going to show you how to do the open door transition, new scene, sick angles dude. So without further ado, let's have a little message from our sponsors.
Yo, I'm an alien. You know what that means? If you don't listen to me, I'ma eat your brains, boy. Go ahead, go click that subscribe button. I dare you. Go ahead, do that. And while you're at it, send this video to a friend. If they need help, send it to them. Might help them out, alright? Peace.
And let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to want to do now is import our clips into the Final Cut Pro timeline down here. So here's the raw shot of me opening the door into this sick apartment. And here's this dope shot of me when I was in Germany with the train. So we're going to go to where the door is about to open up. And about here is good. Click B, grab the blade tool, and we're going to clip this clip. And then we're going to click on that, Control R to get the timing, and we're going to speed this up by 2. This is going to make it a little bit easier for us to make the mask. Next, we're going to go over to the Effects tab, search Mask, type it right though. Here's Draw Mask, add it to the click. Boom. Now we're going to go up here, go to Transform, Keyframe, 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 pow! Look at that, 4 keyframes. And we're going to want to change this fit so we can have a little outside room to work with. Draw our points on the side. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Kaboom, baby. And then we want to invert this mask so we can see what the heck we're doing. You know, we're making things happen. But what you're going to do is right when the door opens up, you're going to put this little guy here and make a little crack there. And you're literally going to go frame by frame. And it's quite time consuming, so let's speed this up. Alright, pretty dope, and it's all completely covered. So now all you have to do is take that other clip, put it underneath, line it up a little bit, check it out, line this up, make sure that's all good to go, and boom, there you got your door transition. And now let's take a final look, boys.